Welcome to the NTF Parking App. We're here to make your parking experience simple and stress-free. Let's guide you through the app, step by step, especially if it's your first time. First, let's get you set up. Once you open the app, tap on Get Started to go to the account creation page. Just fill in your details: first name, last name, phone number, email, and a secure password. Easy as that. Now, log in using your username and password, or for added convenience, you can log in with an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Once you're logged in, choose your location with live location or enter it manually. Now, you'll instantly see available parking options near you. Need to update your info? Go to the profile page, tap Edit, and change your details or password anytime. Prefer dark mode? You can easily enable it for a more comfortable viewing experience. When you're ready, select your preferred parking from the home page. Check out the gallery and read reviews for your chosen spot. To proceed, just tap on Book Slot, select your date, arrival, and exit time, and click Proceed to Vehicle. Next, enter your vehicle details, like type, name, license plate, and upload an image. You can also choose from any vehicles you've previously registered. You'll then see a summary page with all your details: arrival time, exit time, vehicle info, and fare. Tap Continue to move to the payment gateway. Choose your preferred payment method: UPI, card, or net banking. If you select UPI, complete the payment in your UPI app, then return to the NTF Parking App for a booking confirmation. To view your bookings, go to the Bookings page, where you'll see tabs for ongoing, completed, and canceled bookings. In the Ongoing tab, you can view your receipt and check the remaining time on your parking. Need more time? No problem. Just tap Extend Parking Time in the Timer page and select how long you need. It's that simple. Thanks for choosing NTF Parking. We're thrilled to have you on board, and we can't wait to make parking a breeze for you.